Hi friends, in this video let us solve a similar system data question asked in GATE 2018 paper. The question is, the input and output of a continuous time system are respectively denoted by x of t and y of t. Which of the following descriptions corresponds to a causal system? See, whenever they ask causal or non-causal, first you remind about non-causal. Non-causal system is one whose output is a function of future input. So y of t, present output is a function of future input, right? So it is easy to identify non-causal. If it is not non-causal, then it is causal system. So if output is a function of a future input, then it is non-causal. Here you see y of t, x of t plus future input. So it is non-causal. Y of t, t minus 4, x of t plus future input, non-causal. Y of t, t plus 4 input is past. So it is causal. T plus 5, x of t plus 5 future. So this is the causal system. Other systems are non-causal systems. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.